In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the inverted cursor in Windows 11. This simple change can make a big difference in your user experience, particularly if you find yourself working in environments with varying color schemes or just want a more distinct cursor. Let's dive straight into it and walk through the process step by step to ensure you get it right on your first try. To begin, we'll need to access the Settings menu on your Windows 11 machine. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter U together. This keyboard shortcut will take you directly to the accessibility settings, which is where we need to be for this task. Alternatively, you can open the Start menu, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the category labeled Ease of Access, or in newer versions, you might see it simply titled Accessibility. Now that we're in the accessibility settings, let's locate the mouse pointer options. This is where we can find various settings related to the appearance and behavior of your mouse cursor. In this section, you'll notice a variety of settings allowing for customization. We're interested in the section titled Mouse Pointer Style. This is where you have options to change the look of your cursor. You'll see 4 choices displayed there. Select the one labeled Inverted. Choosing this option might seem like a small change, but it makes your cursor automatically flip colors based on your background. This can be particularly helpful if you're constantly switching between light and dark screens, as it allows your cursor to stand out no matter what your background is. Once you make this selection, you should immediately see your cursor change to the inverted style. It will now adapt to different backgrounds by inverting its color, enhancing visibility, and making it easier to work across various applications and websites. This kind of automatic contrast is especially useful in reducing eye strain and improving overall accessibility. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the inverted cursor on your Windows 11. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your viewing experience, making your workflow more efficient and visually comfortable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this tweak as useful as many others do. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your Windows 11 experience. Until next time, enjoy exploring your new mouse cursor setup.